And McCarr snaps a pass. Indirect to MacKinnon off the wall. He'll throw it cross corner to allow a change. Middleton hooks one around to Spurgeon. Got Bogosian out of the lineup tonight. And for the Dallas Stars, their power play was really the only thing that kept them in the series for 6 games against Minnesota in round number 1. Here is McCarr to quarterback. Necas with room down to the goal line in front. Scores!
Goes all the way up and around. Kadri to McCarr, and then down to the goal line from Necas to MacKinnon. It's the one touch that is the key to the play. MacKinnon knows where Landeskog is. Landeskog's a lefty, so he's got the one-timer. He finds the middle ice. Middleton has to take the pass away.
As we approach the midway point of this game, 2-goal lead for the Avalanche. They did not have a regulation loss. Under 4 minutes to go, second period. Kaprizov on the move, checked by Landeskog. And that allows Nick Roy to get the puck deep for Colorado. Another big hit behind the net. Landeskog throwing the body around.
Back in it. They need their offensive guys going out there all the time.
Zuccarello all the way into the right wing corner. Down the wall comes Petrie. There is Kaprizov behind the net. Kadri holds. It's McCarr. Kadri on the flank. Down to the goal line once again. Landeskog. See if he heads back to the bumper. There's the one-timer. MacKinnon on the power play. The Avalanche strike again and extend their lead.
The play they want to run. It's Kadri all the way through the seam. MacKinnon gets a rolling puck. I think that might have hit Trenton on the way in. Gustafsson doesn't see it, and it's a deflected puck. But MacKinnon gets lost. He goes from middle to the left side of your screen. And they might have reinforcements. Joel Eriksson Ek may be back. Brodin may be back. But it's a huge win by Colorado to take a 2-0 series lead.